Oya Ganilu, Kedi.
My friend, my childhood friend, like Munia Toro and Papaya Unogi. So, overall, like any fatherhood, overall, any mago, and my fear on a struggle, like with some certain type of things in my album. Why I gamma be a go okay, like some certain type, imago, like some things. So, asked him, I sent your profile to him, like, yeah, listen out to this person if you own and Bishmoney, this person, on a post like some things name where I see on a bin do not the Roma, like you gotta go more one on a post hene where is now rule. But after I send me your this thing or just of good in a social media, so like him go, he comes to your life or deletes everything bad now isolation, and now he's doing so well. So like he reached out to me last week and he was telling me thank you so much. And then on YouTube, I'm not saying the choir some videos na YouTube, but those ones did not do anything, or just this your own behavior, like he's a better person. And like if you go the course Bishmoney, and it's not even up to 2 months. It's not even up to 2 months. So I'm telling you, like, a lot of people are dependent on your page. Please do not sway for anybody. Like, just keep improving in this direction. Like Kabia, like I used to see these people trying to like imago Kabia, make somehow, or try to manipulate or instigate some things. The truth, but you just do the one you can do. Like everybody, I got a belief in the preaching, do you get? Or just in a mending now water the whole thing. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Thank God for the testimony. Can call you.
Abu Madu.
Kedebe onye be join you.
I'm Enugu State, but I ain't been Abuja.